So for example, if I went something like sneakers, people who are interested in collecting sneakers or trading cards, things like that, they will spend their disposable income on that. They're super passionate and they will find the money. So that might be my exception. But personally, I want to go for a niche where we've got high monetization potential. So these are people with big spending power. So this could be six-figure earners, things like people like that, entrepreneurs, people in a particular industry like tech or finance. I'm looking for the people that have money themselves, or people that have money, like have buying, what's the phrase I'm looking for? Like the permission to buy within their industry. So for example, like when we talk about our course on our YouTube channel, we talk about a B2B niche of connecting people that provide corporate well-being services to corporations. So that's targeting CEOs, CFOs, CEOs, HR managers, because they've got the buying power. They're allowed to make the decisions within the business. So we want to find this perfect synergy between these three things. So what I'm going to take you through now is my process for finding a niche, because I want to make sure that there's actually an audience there, that the area that I'm going after is trending. I believe it's going to trend for a long period of time, and I'm going to build up something that's super valuable, regardless of whether I decide to keep it or I'm going to flip the newsletter. I want to make sure that there is traffic out there already and there's potential to grow. If I can be first to market, or one of the first to market, that's great. Or an established market where I can carve out my own sub niche is just as powerful. I've got a few other videos on the YouTube channel that you might not have seen, so I'll try and get those put around this training as well, so you can just watch those and put it together with this about how you would go and get those subscribers, how you get those sponsorship deals for the monetization, all that kind of thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a great place to start brainstorming those ideas. I'm going to show you how I would do this for free if you've got no budget or minimum budget, and I'm going to show you some tools I use as well that are going to save a lot of time.